Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create this elegant dress and Dress to Impress with new items from the World Culture Update. Okay, the outfit will look like this guys, and I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing for this outfit. Okay, first thing first guys, you can go to the culture clothing area and then you're going to wear this dress. Okay, then you're going to color it with this pink color. Okay, let me show you the color code. Okay, this is for the color code you can use. And then we're going to choose this this top from the Talon, and we're going to change the toggle to 3 and apply the same color. Okay, the next one, I'm going to wear this sleeves. Okay, you can, oops, sorry guys, I clicked the wrong item. You can wear the sleeve, choose only sleeves, and again color it with the same color, this one for the first selection and also the second selection. And the next one, we're going to go to this area, Petal update area, and we're going to wear this flower top and also this one, and then we're going to color it pink for all the selection. Just make them all pink like this. Okay, and for this one as well. Okay, or actually you can color it with the color that you like or the color which matches your theme. Okay, and the last one, we're going to go to the pants area. It's right here, and then wear this pant and color it pink. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!